I'm Roger. I'm the integration coordinator for NGS Work and Health program, which is based in Oldham. We've had the program for 6 years now. I've been the integration coordinator for Oldham for the past year. So today I've been at the activities coordinating event. So we've been learning how to organise an event from very small to large scale. Event was really good. The whole session was excellent. It was very well organised, very easy to understand, giving us knowledge of how to put on our own events, the structure of how to put on an event, the management of putting on an event, and just basically the whole package, what you need to put something on within, if you wanted to put on an event within the Oldham area, whether it's about 20 people or 200 people. Knowledge from it is that to make sure that you detail everything in that event, from the smallest thing to the largest. Make sure you have plans, make sure everybody's included in the plans, make sure you have formats, and to keep everybody in the loop when you're doing these events, and also not to panic. Also to have, very important, came out of it, to have a plan B, because you can never know what's going to happen when you're putting an event on. But generally the whole session today has been absolutely brilliant. Great to be involved with people from different companies, different providers, different industries within Oldham, and us all working together to see what we can do, because we're all in the same boat together. We want Oldham to be one of the best boroughs in Greater Manchester. Thank you.
Hi, I'm Anita from Inclusive Vice, and I've just been to the Organising Community Events event at CWTC. And yeah, it was really great sort of introduction into different things you want to consider around community planning if you are doing whether small or large scale events, and a really great opportunity to meet other groups that I haven't met before, and networking opportunities. So thank you.